Welcome to our new training center. Here we watch over the cities around the world. Everything seems pretty peaceful today, but we can't just sit around. Let's practice our rescue drills. Start the simulation. When you're racing to the rescue, be careful of obstacles. They could hurt you. Swipe up to jump. Noble! Yes! Good job! That was easy. I'm sending bigger blocks. Swipe up twice to do a mega jump. Sweet! You did it! Now pick up these sparks. The sparks are your life force. If you lose all three, you'll be injured and you'll have to start your mission over. Time for the hard stuff. I'm sending huge blocks. Ouch! That one was too big. You'll need to morph into vehicle mode to get around it. Swipe down to change form and move to the other lane. Yes! Noble! You're good at this! Now, the ultimate form! First, you'll need to gather quite a few Energon shards. When the bar is full, you become a powerful DinoBot! Noble! That's so cool! Your DinoBot form has a special ability that can prevent you from getting hurt during missions. Nice work! Now we're ready for anything!
Meanwhile... Now that my machine is complete, I can start the next phase of my master plan. I'll create chaos all over the planet! Let's start with Griffin Rock, hometown of the meddlesome robots!
Oh no! What's going on? Rescue bots! This is an emergency! Please respond! We've lost communication with the rest of the world! The only place left online is Griffin Rock, where it looks like the volcano is erupting! We gotta roll out right now! Boulder! 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 Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue! Citizens are scattered throughout the city! We've got to go save them! I trust you, Boulder! My scanner spotted a civilian nearby!
Help!
Very sweet, Boulder! Power up and energize! I can hear a call for help! Someone in need is close by!
I'm stuck! Thank you!
Whew.
I'm over here!
Watch out for these obstacles! Nicely done, Boulder! Good job! We saved so many people! You truly are a real hero! Welcome back! The world needs you! Come on, team! Griffin Rock needs our help! Lava is flowing through the city! Gather a team and let's roll! Blades! Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue! A giant flow of lava is approaching! We gotta reach the citizens before the lava does! I believe in you, Blades! The lava flow is catching up! Power up and energy! turn everyone from a deadly lava bath! We need to get people away from the volcano! Who's best suited for this mission? Boulder! Blades! Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue! Citizens are scattered throughout the city! We've got to go save them! I trust you, Boulder!
I'm stuck! Thank you!
Very sweet, Boulder! Someone in need is close by! My scanner spotted a civilian nearby! I can hear a call for help!
I'm over here!
Ouch! Whew, nicely done, Boulder! Be careful of the falling magma rocks and get to those civilians! I believe in you, Blades! Good job! We saved so many people! You truly are a real hero!